Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to KingCambridgeSolution.com. On this website, you will find the solution for the past paper of Cambridge International AS and A-level and O-level. Today, I shall explain the Mathematics 9709 Paper 5 Variant 2. For the Paper 5 Probability and Statistics 1 session is May-June 2024. Let's start for the session 2024. The question number 1 is Rajesh applies once every year for a ticket to a music festival. The probability that he is successful in any particular year is 0.3 independently of the other years. Part A, find the probability that Rajesh is successful for the first time on the 7th attempt. Part B, find the probability that Rajesh is successful for the first time before his 6th attempt. The part C is find the probability that Rajesh is successful for the second time on his 10th attempt. So let's start for the part A of this question. First of all, the probability of success is 0.3 as given in the question statement. This is the particular year is success is 0.3. Probability of the failure is equal to, we can find out the probability of the failure by this formula, Q equal to 1 minus P. P is 0.3, so Q is equal to 0.7. This is about the geometric distribution, and the formula for the geometric distribution is equal to P of x equal to K equal to 1 minus P raised to the power K minus 1 into P. This is the formula for the geometric distribution. First time success on the attempt means first time success, like the question is find the probability that Rajesh is successful for the first time on his 7th attempt. So in this case, first attempt, second attempt, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and 7th. So 7th term is successful, so we write P there. After simplification, we get Q raised to the power 6 into P by putting the value of Q and P, which is equal to 0.7 and 0.3 as we have calculated in the above steps. So the answer is 0.0353. For the part B, find the probability that the Rajesh is successful for the first time before his 6th attempt. Part B. As we have calculated as given in the question statement, P is equal to 0.3, Q is equal to 0.7. Rajesh is successful before his 6th attempt. It means that P of x less than 6 before the 6th attempt. So P of x less than 6 means P of x equal to 0, P of x equal to P of x 1, P of x 2, P of x 3, 4, and 5. After that, for the first x equal to 1 is we have P. After that, PQ. PQ square, PQ3, PQ4. By putting this value, P and Q, and after simplification, the probability is 0.832. For the part C of this question, find the probability that Rajesh is successful for the second time on his 10th attempt. Second time in the 10th attempt. So in the part C of this question, for the second time successful on his 10th attempt, we shall use the negative binomial distribution. The negative binomial distribution has formula is equal to R success, K trial, K minus 1 or R minus 1 into P raised to the power R, 1 minus P raised to the power K minus R. This is the formula for the negative binomial distribution, as you can see in the statement. As P is equal to 0.3, the second success is R is equal to 2, the total attempt are 10. So by putting this value in the formula of binomial distribution for the negative, after simplification, we get P of x equal to 10 equal to 0.0467. This is the distribution probability for the second time in the 10th trial. For the question number 2, Siva has a coin which is biased so that when it is thrown, probability of obtaining a head is 1 by 3. He also has a bag containing 4 red marbles and 5 blue marbles. Siva throws the coin. If he obtain a head, he selects 1 marble from the bag at random. If he obtains a tail, he selects 2 marbles from the bag at random and without replacement. Part A finds the probability that the Siva select at least 1 red marble. Part B, find the probability that Shiva obtain a head given that he select no red marbles. For the question number 3 of this series, the weight of the orange can be modeled by a normal distribution with mean 131 grams and standard deviation 54 grams. Orange are classified as small, medium, and large. A large orange weight has at least 184 grams, and 2% of the orange are classified as small. Part A, find the percentage of the orange that are classified as large. Part B, find the greatest possible weight of a small orange. For the question number 4, the back-to-back stem and leaf diagram shows that the annual salary of 19 employees at each of the two companies, Petrol and Rowan. Like Petrol salaries are on the left-hand side and Rowan on the right-hand side. This is the key given 231p means that 31,200 for the Petrol employee and 31,500 for the Rowan employee. Part A, find the median and interquartile range of the salaries of the Petrol employee. The median salary of the Rowan employee is $33,800. The lower quartile is $32,000 and upper quartile is $34,400. Part B, represent the data shown in the back-to-back stem and leaf diagram by a pair of box and whisker plots in a single diagram. For part C, comment on the whether the mean or the median would be a better representation of the data for the employee at the Petrol. For question number 5, Jasmine has one $5 coin, $2 coin, and $1 coin, and two $1 coin. She select two of these coins at random. The random variable x is total value in dollar of these two coins. Part A show that P of x equal to 7 is equal to 0.2. Part B is draw a probability distribution table for x. Part C is find the value of the various x. For the question number 6, the resident of the Mahjing were asked to classify their local bus service. 25% of the residents classified service as the good, 60% of the residents classified their service as the satisfactory, and the 50% of the residents classified their service as the poor. Part A, a random sample of 110 residents of the Mahjing is chosen. Use a suitable approximation to find the probability that the fewer than 22 residents classified their bus service as a good. For part B, for a random of 10 residents of the Mahjing, find the probability that fewer than 8 classified their bus service as a good or satisfactory. Part C, 3 residents of Mahjing are selected at random. Find the probability that one resident classified the bus service as a good, one as a satisfactory, and one as the poor. For part C of this question, part A, how many different arrangements are there for the 10 letters in the word REGENERATE? For the part B, how many different arrangements are there of the 10 letters in the word regenerate, in which the 4 E's are together and 2 have exactly 3 letters in between them. The part C is find the probability that a randomly chosen arrangement of the 10 letters in the word REGENERATE is one in which the consonant G, N, R are T and vowels A, E, E alternate, so that no two consonants are next to each other and no two vowels are next to each other. So this is the last question of this session, where you will find the solution of all these questions. First of all, in order to find the solution of these all these questions, open the website kingcamrasolution.com. You can see this. This is the website. Open this website. After that, on the top right corner, click on the login register. When you click on this login register, you will find this interface. After that, on this interface, you will click on the sign up link. When you click on the sign up link, after that, you will find this interface. Provide your email credentials and click on the sign up. After that, you will automatically log into the website to download the solution of all the papers. When you click on the sign up, after that, you can also give it manually, like this one, user, password, and click on the login. When you click on the login, you will go to the courses, and after that, click on the courses list. When you click on the courses list, you will find the different courses available on the website. The courses of all mathematics of Cambridge International AS and A level and O level. When you click on this, on the right hand side, you will select the category which you want to download. There are different categories like P1, P3, P4, P5 and O level as well. At very reasonable price, RS 300 or the $10. Very reasonable price to download the solved question. After that, you click on the preview link. When you click on the preview link, you will get this interface. After that, you click on the add to cart button, red button, and after that, you click on the buy now button. When you click on the buy now button, you will get this interface. On this interface, fill up all the field for the stripe and click the submit button. When you click on the submit button, you have successfully purchased the course of A level. After purchasing, successful message from the stripe, you will go to your user and click the combo box. After that, you click on the order history. When you click on the order history, you will see the course that you have bought on this website. When you click the title of the course, you will see this one, the course that you have bought. In the course content section, there are two icons. One is the file icon, another is the video icon. When you click on the file icon, the PDF file will be downloaded for every question, solution of every question. After that, when you click on the video icon, a video file for the solution of every question will be downloaded to your local. Best of luck. See you in the next session of A-Level series.